Do you want to hide personal or sensitive information before sharing a photo? Samsung Gallery includes a Mosaic pen that lets you quickly cover part of an image, helping protect your privacy. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Then open the photo you want to edit. Tap the edit button. Next, tap the decoration icon. Under the draw section, select the Mosaic pen. If you'd like to customize it, tap the Mosaic pen again. Here, you can choose between the Mosaic pen and the strike line Mosaic pen. You can also adjust the pen thickness and choose one of the three Mosaic level to control how much detail is hidden. Once you are done, tap the X button to close the setting. Now simply draw over the information you want to hide. When you are finished, tap Save to overwrite the original photo, or tap the three-dot menu and choose Save Copy to keep the original image unchanged. And that's how you hide sensitive information in photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.